Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips to Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at how to get to $1,000 per month, the part of the strategy and everything else. But we're going to be talking about paid advertising. If you want to know what paid advertising is, why it's so important for me personally, then I'm going to be sharing with you guys a whole strategy that's involved. And trust me, you're going to love this strategy if you're interested in affiliate marketing and getting it all done within 30 minutes a day. Yes, 30 minutes a day. So let's hop onto my laptop and share with you guys some more. Awesome, guys. Here we are on my screen. And before I go ahead and, talk to you literally about the strategy, what is paid advertising, everything else, I want to share my journey. Today is Friday. If you're here for the first time on the channel, welcome back or welcome to the channel, because I post every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on this channel. And Monday, we talk about cash flow generating steps or cash flow generating activities that help us then. So, step one, which is basically cash flow. And then on Wednesdays, we talk about the automation, the tools, everything that's related to the nerdier stuff, I would say, on my whole technical journey of affiliate marketing. And then finally on Friday, which is today, we look at specifically paid advertising, the whole entire strategy, how it's working, and whether you can get started or not, whether this is something for you or not. If you're anything like me, guys, and you do have a full-time job, and you have a dog to take care of, you have a family, you have other things to do in life, you need to go running, sports, whatever it is, your life is busy, then it is, and that's the way you want it to be, because you're taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your mental, physical, everything, emotional state, how you are as a human being, and that's the priority, like it is for myself. Then obviously you want to spend as less time as possible online. Now the thing is, my 9 to 5 job, I work from home, but I work remotely for for a company. So what I'm doing is I'm still on the computer majority of my time during the day. Therefore I want to move away from the laptop whenever I can and live my life to the best of my ability, right? That's the whole purpose behind it. Now, in doing so, I created this strategy. Created this strategy for two specific reasons. One is because you want to build that affiliate marketing essentials assets, which is basically an email address, having a whole sales flow in process, and more than anything else, you are able to keep that machine running and working and paying for itself. That's the key, so that when you go on vacation, it's still crunching out in numbers, it's still crunching out information, it's still crunching out sales. Didn't want to get the sales immediately, so this automation needs to be in place, and that's why I personally got started with this strategy. Now the reason why I got started with this strategy is because I've had my successes, I've had my failures online. I wanted to spend the least amount of time, so I added this step one, as you can see, or the first step there, as an extra step, so that I don't have to think about it. And literally, technically, the most amount of time goes for me to spend on step one, because in step one, I wake up every day, I write an email. I send an email out using a list that I get 100 to 200 leads every single day. So I don't need to advertise. I get those leads every day. I send out an email every single day to an offer. I make a sale from that. And then I use those commissions in the sales that I make in step one to be able to advertise my entire funnel, my entire process, and build an asset of email addresses, so that I can speak to my audience and create traffic that I don't own, advertising that I don't own, to advertising that I own. I'm building this asset for myself. So in order for me to do that and not go ahead, and there are two ways you can do this, right? For step two, you can either have your free methods like TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, to be able to drive people, to show them something that they're interested in, or you can use paid traffic. So personally, that I decided to go ahead in the paid traffic or paid advertising route, specifically because of two main reasons. As I said before, I want to spend less time online. I want to make sure that I have advertising running for me, the best advertising sources first and foremost. And so I wanted to use paid traffic. This is my personal reason behind it. It doesn't mean you have to do the same thing. If you don't want to have step one, you don't need step one. Okay, the step one is me personally, because I wanted to give you guys success. So I wanted to see you have like a consistent $200, $300 per month. The step one itself, personally for myself, is a $300 method for myself, $250 to $300 method. So every single month, that's been consistently the amount that I can get, I know, from step one. And step two is specifically a little bit more complicated, obviously, but it is focusing on paid advertising. So let me just go ahead. I made a short little presentation for myself to just show you guys a little bit more. So let's go ahead and share my screen. Give me a second. Perfecto. So let's go ahead and actually talk about affiliate marketing and paid advertising in affiliate marketing. Just to give you guys an idea, guys, with affiliate marketing, you're basically selling or sharing a product, a service, or offer of somebody else, and you're getting a commission on that. That is the earning. So whatever commission you get is the net profit that you're getting. If you have any advertising expenditure on it, then you obviously need to deduct the advertising expenditure that you have in order for you to get that net profit. But affiliate marketing is basically sharing that sale, and from that sale you get a percentage or a commission from it. Now usually when it's a digital product, you can get anywhere to up to 75% commissions on sales that you make. So this is why affiliate marketing is so powerful as a side hustle. The affiliate marketing networks where you can find these kind of offers are Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank. You can have different CPA, which is cost per action or cost per acquisition, also can be kind of offers that are there available. There are marketplaces for that. There's Max Bounty, for example, and other ones that are there. I'm not sure. I don't personally do CPA. And then you have the traditional kind of Amazon affiliates, associates, other your affiliates or your bank. So you can have affiliate marketing anywhere and everywhere in the world at the moment. So each and every company actually has a section of affiliate marketing that's there because it's a good way to market. So why do I personally use paid advertising? For a couple of reasons, a few reasons, right? First and foremost, it is a very targeted audience or a very targeted advertising. You need to know what you want. So for example, what I personally sell, what I personally advertise is my course that also has, yes, it is my course, it's not somebody else's product, but it is a strategy. It's a strategy that I use basically to promote other people's offers. And that strategy is just a way of teaching. Actually, I'm doing affiliate marketing in the entire. So I promote my primary product is something called affiliate marketing on crack. So it is a method, or it's a methods taught about affiliate marketing. Also, it's educational. It's an educational product that teaches you about affiliate marketing within the make money online space. So I know that I need, for example, marketers who are looking to do a side hustle, or somebody else who's interested in this kind of advertising, right? Sorry, this kind of offer. That is what is the product that I'm selling. So that is something that I can target specifically. If you're a dog owner and you want to be an affiliate of dog products, then you can really target that kind of audience with paid advertising. With free advertising, don't get me wrong, you can as well, but it's just going to take you more time until you build the right community, till you have the right people. Here you can just, like, in an instant, you can tap into that resource because there are people who've shown interest altogether. It's very scalable. This is very true. After you understand the right numbers, the data-driven approach to marketing itself, then you can scale up with paid advertising as much as you want, guys. If you decide to go within 3 months to get to X amount of sales, then you can do it. And all you have to focus on then is, lowering your cost and just keep scaling up. So that's the whole beauty of this kind of advertising. Okay, it saves more time that you are spending online. This is the key one for me. It is a very strategic approach because, as I said, for example, you put $1 in and you know that you're going to get $3 out or $10 out or whatever the amount is. You're able to, map this whole entire process out. And then it works for you 24/7 with results. The reason I'm saying with results is nowadays with, YouTube or with shorts or with TikTok videos and Instagram reels and so on and so forth. Yes, you can have free advertising working for you 24/7, but are they going to get you results 24/7? This is a hit and miss. This would be, let's say you have a campaign running with Google and you add that campaign, it's working for you 24/7. And if you've optimized it to the best of your ability, you know that when you wake up, you're going to make 10 sales. That's how beautiful the paid advertising can be. However, I will say also that there are risks that are involved. So you have, for example, in my opinion, for advertising, there is a curve. With paid advertising, with free advertising, what do? You post. So you're not spending anything, you're spending your time, that's all. And then there is a curve where, people start to you get leads, you start to get sales, and then it starts to grow and go up. But you might need a year, you might need 2 years of just posting content or creating content and posting content for you to start to generate that momentum. With paid advertising, you can enter into that momentum pretty quickly. But if you're not spending enough money, or if you're spending, as I said, 12 months at least of spending consistently, if you are on a tight budget, that is the amount, that's in my opinion, that's the minimum amount of data that you need in order for you to make an informed decision next year. So the year after that, the next 12 months, to scale it up and get the reward. So in that 12 months, what is happening? You're basically going down. Maybe you will come up close to, you might reach a break-even point, but you don't know whether you're going to reach a break-even point. I'm just being very authentic with you guys here, okay? This is how it is. So you're going to be spending more than you're actually making initially, but the reward is much higher when you do it. So yes, there's a risk that you're spending and maybe you won't get a reward, but if you focus on the right things and you do it consistently enough, then what's going to happen is when you get the reward, it's going to be much more satisfying. Then there's no upfront return. As I said, it's a process. It can be an expensive skill to learn, but as I said from the previous slide, it is a scalable skill to learn. So why? Obviously, it's going to be an expensive skill to learn, right? Every mistake can cost money. This is a risk that you need to know. So let's say you make a mistake in your advertising campaign for Google. That can cost you hundreds of dollars. That can cost you $1,000. It makes sense, right? So this is what it does. The main thing is the winning secret for all of these strategies that I'm sharing with you guys is not giving up. If you're giving up, that's when you're going to see a big change. So now, just to let you guys know, this entire strategy, what I do within Affiliate Marketing Essentials. And by the way, guys, if you want to get Affiliate Marketing Essentials, all you need to do is go to the link below. It'll take you to this page right here. Let me just make myself a little bit smaller. It'll take you to this page right here where you can see how do I generate daily commissions from the #1 strategy that I've been using. So you just add your name, add your email address, and then you will be able to check out the entire course. That course covers this entire section right here, this entire strategy, from first and foremost generating cash. And the way I use it is I'm generating $200 to $300 here every single month. Now this, after step one, I utilize those $200 to $300 every single month into advertising sources, paid advertising sources, and I have about 5, I believe. So let me just tell you that all these advertising sources, I'm just showing you right here. You can see right here, I have solo ads that I personally use, 4 of them, and then I use also Google AdWords, but solo ads, and these are all like budget to high, they're high quality solo ads, but they have all given me sales in my business. So that's why I have them here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have a network also in case you want it. And then finally, the PPC, Google PPC traffic source, which is also quite valuable. This in itself, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so yeah, six sources that you have, which I have tested and tried already. All you need to do over here is, as I mentioned, have a budget where you're spending this amount consistently. So this is what I personally do. I spend every single month at least 1,000 clicks is what I try to get. So that means at least $300 every single month I'm spending on traffic. That's the minimum. The maximum, where we want to be headed to, is at least 10,000 clicks per month. Why? Because even if I'm making a 40 to 50% conversion rate on that, that's enough money, guys, to keep the machine rolling, to keep the ball rolling, and to take the profits out and put it into my pocket. I hope that you guys understand it. This is, we're trying to keep the watch working for us. We're trying to keep everything working for us continuously and then just pocket the profits. So let's say in this case, you're making an average about, I'm just going to give you an example, average about $25 on each sale, and you're making 30%, $25 per sale, right? And say you're making 30% off, 30% off, you're getting leads, 30% off 10,000. That's 3,000 leads itself. Now, from these 3,000 leads, let's say you're converting only 40%. So you say, or 5% of that, 5% of 3,000, okay? Just to give you guys an idea. That's 150. Now you're making $25 on each one. That's 3,750. So you know that you're doing that, and then you can add, let's say, even just split it by 2, and you have 50% going back into traffic. So you're adding this to be able to buy another 10,000 clicks or another 5,000 clicks or whatever it is. And then you start to get more, and you focus just on your conversions. So The point here is that it takes care of itself. You're putting a portion into your pocket and you're keeping the rest to run your business. But overall, this adds up in time. As we said, the winning strategy is not to give up. Guys, I hope this makes sense. If you want to know more about this entire process that I have, everything that I shared with you, the exact 10K strategy also, the link to my course is in the description. As I said, you can get it over there, and we will talk to you specifically about the paid advertising sources, the entire wholesales process. I will be giving for free a free funnel and much, much more. So all of that is in the description. Guys, I look forward to seeing you on next week's video, which is going to be the last video for the year on the strategy. So I'm super excited to share that with you. We're going to be talking about how to optimize your email list in this strategy to how to get to $1,000 per month. But once you reach there, imagine the 80-20% split. 80% you put your back into your business, 20% you put in your pocket, and scale up. And that's what we want you guys to do. Benefit from this, learn the skill sets, keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.